Foremilk versus Hindmilk. What every mother should know. You're welcome to Becoming Mom, a community for golden, daunting, and present moms. Your go-to space for real talk, female celebrities lifestyle, mom tips, and baby love. Let's talk about Foremilk versus Hindmilk. What's the difference? A mom may ask, what is Foremilk? Let's talk about Foremilk. This is the milk your baby gets at the beginning of a breastfeeding session. It is thinner and higher in water. It helps to quench thirst, just like when you drink water on a hot day. What is Hindmilk? As the feeding continues, the milk becomes richer in fats. This is called Hindmilk. It usually comes after 15 to 20 minutes of nursing, but that time can vary. Some babies get there in just 5 minutes, others may need up to 30. Hindmilk equals creamy, fat-rich, weight-gaining. This is the milk that satisfies hunger and helps your baby grow and gain weight. Now, here is the part many moms miss. There is no magical switch. The fat increases gradually. Let your baby nurse long enough on one breast to reach the Hindmilk. Switching breasts too soon can cause more Foremilk intake. This might lead to low weight in infants. So if your baby seems uncomfortable or always hungry, this might be why. Do you want to increase your breast milk supply naturally? Some moms tried our tips and came back with beautiful testimonies. Check the channel to see how we gave life-saving tips on increase in breast milk supply. You're doing amazing, mama. Just remember, feed with love, be patient, and trust your body. Foremilk quenches, Hindmilk nourishes, and you're the hero in between. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another mother who needs this reminder today. And leave a comment if you ever had a Foremilk, Hindmilk experience. We love hearing from you. See you in a jiffy.